In this video I'm going to show you how to repair old holes drilled in fiberglass. Now with this project we have a 6-inch cleat and we are replacing it with an 8-inch cleat. So we've got to repair the old holes. Now you might notice my fingernails have been painted. Well, I've got a couple of daughters that like to paint my nails. So 4 holes, we're going to use one hole, this hole here, so we don't have to repair that, but we got 3 other holes to fix. Now, there's different ways you can fix them. One is to fill them and put some gel coat on. Another way is to fiberglass over them, or you could just put some bolts in. Now we are going to be filling them and gel coating the surface. If it's below the water line, I would recommend glassing them. So our first step here is to put some filler in. Now you gotta drill out the holes to clean it out because there's a lot of sealant in there. So once it's clean, then we put what we use is Polybond, it's called. So we put some tape on the bottom so it doesn't all go through. So we have actually filled those 3 holes. When it's cured, it's kind of clear. So we want to have it dip down a little bit so there's room to put the gel coat in. So once that's cured, then we can do our gel coating. So now we're just finishing with our gel coat, and we just use a stick and we dab it to kind of simulate the non-skid finish. It won't be exactly the same, but it's close enough. Okay, it's all done. Now this repair was in the non-skid, so if it was in a smooth surface, then we would do it a little differently. We would still put the gel in and then chisel it, flush, and then wet sand and polish it.